Welcome to JH. T-Mobile 5G Home Internet is a service powered by their 4G and 5G cellular networks. Rather than relying on traditional fiber or cable lines, this system utilizes the same wireless signals as your smartphone through a dedicated hardware unit. It is designed for simplicity and rapid installation, making it an ideal choice for those tired of restrictive contracts and unexpected costs. You will receive a gateway that functions as both a router and a modem. Simply connect it to a power source to get online instantly, bypassing the need for a professional technician. A major advantage is the lack of data limits, allowing you to stream content, work remotely, or play games without overage concerns. The pricing structure is straightforward, featuring a consistent monthly rate with no hidden surprises beyond a potential initial setup fee. This service is widely accessible across urban, suburban, and various rural locations. However, your specific performance and stability will rely on the 5G signal quality at your address. In regions with strong reception, users typically see download speeds between 75 and 245 megabits per second, which is sufficient for most homes. Ultimately, if you are looking for a convenient internet solution with unlimited data and no long-term commitments, this is a compelling choice provided you have good T-Mobile coverage. It provides a reliable way to handle daily streaming and professional tasks without the typical frustrations associated with standard cable providers.